Hi, I'm Jennifer. Welcome to my office. Today we're going to talk about hashtags. So exciting, I know! But I'm going to show you an easy way to help you figure out hashtags to use in your Instagram posts and maybe even your Twitter posts. So we're going to start off by what is a hashtag? What is a hashtag good for? If you already know about hashtags and you're just here to find out about the tool that I use, go to the description in my YouTube channel here or in my YouTube video and you will see where you can skip this what is a hashtag info and get right to the nitty gritty. All right, so thanks for staying around. What is a hashtag? Well, a hashtag is that little pound sign that you see before a word on social media sites such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and so forth, even LinkedIn. And what those hashtags are good for are to really keep together all the content on the internet into different themes. And I shouldn't say on the internet, within each social site. So, in other words, if I put the word wine in on Twitter, I can click that hashtag wine and I can see all the posts and all the things that people are talking about using the hashtag wine. This is why using relevant hashtags in your posts is very important because nobody wants to put in a hashtag wine and search for wine and see someone posting about tennis balls. Nobody. All right. So what I like too is for Instagram is whatever is in your picture, those are the hashtags that you're going to want to use. So now we're to the point of what hashtag program do we use at eJenn Solutions to help us get the right hashtags for different posts. All right, so let's get into it. I use this and it's completely free called allhashtag.com. There it is. Now, this is a free program. I will put the link in my video description below, but it's no affiliate. This is simply what we use, and I'm just sharing a simple way for you guys to find hashtags. You can see here I am a wine lover, so I want to know what hashtags I could use to best get the maximum organic lift of my Instagram photo by using relevant and good hashtags associated with wine. Let's say I'm going to put up a wine picture. All right, so I'm going to type in the word wine here. I'm going to make sure that I have top selected because I only want to see the top hashtags that are being used on Instagram right now. And then I'm going to hit generate. And in just a moment here, it's going to show us the best 30 wine hashtags to use. I love it. All right, now, little disclaimer here. Not all the hashtags that are showing in here, though they are popular, are ones that you're going to want to use. That's disclaimer number one. Disclaimer number two, I don't recommend using 30 hashtags. Someone out there may disagree with me. I like to stay between the 12 and 15 hashtag range. Some people do even less, but I found between 12 and 15 hashtags works out really well. And yes, you can play around with putting those hashtags in the actual body of the Instagram intro, or you can put the hashtags in your first comment. I have heard both ways. We have seen some work better in the comments, and some accounts work better in the intros. So play around with it, see what you can do, see how it works for you. Keep a mental note and hashtag around. But to get back to this program, we've got 30 hashtags here. If you are posting a picture of, let's say, a wine glass, you might not want to put the hashtag wine country in there. So you're going to want to go through this and just select out the best hashtags that are appropriate to your picture or your content. Now, after this would be the top 30. You can select more, and you can see here it is just going to give you more hashtags, more hashtags, and more hashtags. So you will never be without an idea of what hashtags to use for your content. Now, you can easily go in here and delete or copy these. I like to just do that. Select copy hashtag. You can see here it tells me that we copied it. Now I can take this and put this right into my scheduler, or if you want to paste it into your phone, however you're using this, that is how you're going to get your hashtags, and that's how easy it is. So I hope this little tip has helped you. If this video helps, please give me a thumbs up. I love to hear the comments. I try to answer everybody, and if there is a video or a tutorial or something that you could use help with, let me know and I will make a video for that. Thank you very much. Again, love you guys. For subscribers, thanks for coming to my office. I'll see you again in the next video.